Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for another collection obsession videos. This is layout 2 for the month of June, and I am using the wonderful Indigo and Violet collection from Uniquely Creative. Uniquely Creative are an Australian company based in Adelaide, and I just love everything they do. So I've got quite a few of their collections. Yeah, so what I'm scrapping today is this old photo. It has to be, it doesn't say what year, but it has to be the 70s. In my backyard, my dad, my uncle, my cousin, and we just used to hang out in the yard, and yeah, simple and good times. What I am using for embellishments, I've already picked out some titles. Whoops, I'm losing everything. I've picked out some of the vellum stickers. So they're the embellishments that I'm using. And the papers are these ones that I used in my last layout, but the reverse side of that one. So the stripes, and another one, same as that, but I want this side. That's going to be my base page, and then these two other sheets as well. And to back my photo, I've picked a grey. So there you go. That is what I'm using. So let's get this started. Okay, there's my page complete. I'm really happy with how it came out. So I had the idea of building off what was already on the paper, but I didn't want the like triangle type effect. So I added obviously the photo and the paper over part of it. And then, I don't know what it is, but whenever I use creative, uniquely creative papers, I feel like I need to tear. I feel like I need to do paper tearing. So I did more again. Little layers though around the photo, so I built it up as I went, and I like it. It's not too much, it's just a little bit, gives a bit of focus on the photo because the paper is very busy. And I just added some of the vellum die cut pieces, and I found a way to peel them really easy. I have struggled with these forever and a day, even though I love using them and I'll continue to use them, but I have trouble getting them off the plastic backing. And then it came to me like a light bulb went off. Cha-ting! I try my pokey tool and I just very gently lift up a small section and it comes up so easily and peels so nicely. So no more with my nail frustrated trying to bend it over trying to get the backing off. There you go. Wish someone had told me that was the way to do it before. But there you go. That's my page for today. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Down below in the description box I will have a link to everyone else who I know is currently playing along with the Collection Obsession series. Thanks for dropping by and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.